And Joshua Davis spoke to a Tribe political science professor about today's decision and its impact on Trump's future cases. He joins us in studio with a breakdown. Joshua.
Thank you, Christine. Professor John Dinan of Wake Forest University says this development is good news for the Trump campaign, and the timing works in their favor as the RNC kicks off today. A federal judge in Florida agreed with Trump lawyers who argued that special counsel Jack Smith was illegally appointed to his position and that his office was being improperly funded by the Justice Department. However, the judge did not address the merits of the case itself. Regardless, Dinan says this ruling could benefit Republican voters who might take this news as a indication that charges shouldn't have been brought against the former president. He also says this could potentially affect other cases Smith is prosecuting.
He's also prosecuting a case in Washington, D.C. concerning Trump's involvement in the events of January 6th. And so if it's the case that without getting too much into the legal maneuverings, or if it's the case that special prosecutor should never have been appointed, well, then he should never have been appointed to bring any of the charges, not only in the Florida case, but in the D.C. case. So that's where that would be the most direct implications of the Florida case. This could have spillover effects going forward.
Spoke with Dinan about third-party candidates and how they could play a role in November. I'll tell you what it means for voters if the Board of Elections doesn't recognize third parties tonight at 10 and 11. For now, in studio, I'm Joshua Davis for WXII 12 News.